victory creates a new enemy: hunger. A million mouths demand protein. If the queen slows, the whole city slows. Small meals no longer matter. They need a giant.
Above the ground, one gust can rewrite a life.
The sky, let's go. On the ground, weakness has a scent.
One scout is enough.
A signal written in chemistry.
Minutes. That is all it takes. They do not rush to kill. They rush to control. The smallest openings become battlefields.
A million bodies. One decision.
They do not rush to kill. They rush to control. Energy burns fast when fear is the fuel. Instinct meets an army.
In this war, mercy is not a strategy.
Immobilize. Then transport.
When daylight ends, efficiency begins. A city that never sleeps.
They start where defenses are thin. They don't just kill, they process.
A highway built in minutes.
Strength is measured in what you can carry. Heat leaves. The harvest remains.
Efficiency is the colony's only law. In one night, a giant becomes parts.
Nothing is wasted. The land pays a price. The feast becomes growth.
Protein turns into numbers.
A factory with no machines.
Not one colony, a system.
Where they expand, others vanish. They do not hold territory. They consume it. Every vibration is a question.
Tools? No, only jaws.
Information travels faster than food.
Once built, the machine keeps running.
An apex predator does not need teeth. It needs numbers. To live here, you learn to disappear. They vote with their feet. Borders exist, even underground. The city rebuilds itself in flesh and time. Famine is forgotten. Expansion is remembered. The hunt starts again. After a giant, even a small meal is easy.
They turn abundance into absence.
A living map. And it is only beginning.
Every empire starts with one meal.
Fire is not a flame. It is a method.
The next chapter arrives on 6 legs.
A kingdom begins as a whole. Hidden is how they survive. No workers, no food, only time.
Floods, wars, hunger. The pattern repeats. Most of their world is invisible.
Apex is not size. It is inevitability.